Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will show you how to use Vanish mode in Instagram as per new update. So there is a lots of changes happened in Instagram Vanish mode. So I will explain each and every features that we have it in Instagram Vanish mode. So I will show you in my mobile screen. Open your Instagram application, then go to Instagram message. So for example, select the account you want to enable vanish mode. I will select this one. So previously what was happening, whenever you were swiping up, a black screen were appearing and there were no any options, just a vanish mode. But now after this the screen will stay same, the white screen, and you can see you have turned on disappearing message. So now if you will click on change, you will get four options. The first one is off. You can undo, you can make it normal how it was before. The second option is once they have seen. So if you will keep this option once both of you, when you have seen the message, that will get automatically deleted. And the second option is 24 hours. So the chat will remain for 24 hours from the both side. And the last one is 7 days. In this case, the chat will be automatically deleted after 7 days. So previously there was no such option, only the second option was there once they have been seen with the black screen. So this is a major difference and a changes which came in Instagram vanish mode, or we can say disappearing message. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.